Hello, I am Neeta Sharma from Brain League Learning. Today we will learn how X-rays are produced, and we will draw a labeled diagram of an X-ray tube. First, let's draw the X-ray tube. This glass tube contains a cathode on the left and an anode on the right. The cathode has a filament that heats up and releases electrons. The anode is a heavy metal target, usually tungsten. Now let's show the steps. Step 1. We heat the filament so electrons boil off. Step 2. A high voltage accelerates these electrons toward the anode. The electrons move at very high speed. Step 3. The electrons collide with the tungsten target. Most of the energy becomes heat. A small part becomes X-rays that shoot out from the target. Let's summarize. 1. Heat the filament to release electrons. 2. Accelerate electrons with high voltage. 3. Electrons strike the tungsten target. For most energy becomes heat and a small part becomes X-rays. That is how X-rays are produced inside an X-ray tube. Thank you for watching.